Evelimu buku teraki Evelimu luahi dhaki Evelimu asolote tumar saute saute puava protito rati Eveli hop I পৃথিবী খাকি আবেগেরে জলুয়া সাকি
We reached these beautiful meadows and grassland foliage at around 4 o'clock in the evening. The view is just breathtaking. Could not stop ourselves from doing some crazy things.
कुछ खास है हम सभी में कुछ बात है हम सभी में बात है खास है कुछ स्वाद है क्या स्वाद है जिंदगी
Many people take Khajiar as a one-day destination, but I would suggest for a stay. This is the place where we had our accommodation, where we felt like a heaven in front of us and above us. The aura in the evening and the day of Khajiar is different. You cannot skip it. Now I'll be giving you the tour of our room at Khajiar. This is Hotel Devdar. So just be with me. At the entrance, just this is the bedroom, and this hotel belongs to Himachal Tourism. I had booked it from its website. Here is a washroom. This is a closet. Again, here is a second bed, so kids can be accommodated here, and that is the big bed. Now I want to show you the view from our room. That is, it gives you a full view of a Khajiar lake from the window itself. These people are enjoying, and I also have a balcony access which will give me a straight access. See the monkeys running. So this is the view from my room. Wow, the view is splendid. I just need to cross the road and be in that green lawn. This is the entrance gate. From here I'll be going into this lawn. Wow. You can feel. We have ordered our dinner in room itself because we were so much tired. We did not had the stamina to go in the restaurant and wait there. So we ordered it. In dinner we are having this chicken curry suggested by the hotel chef, and rice and some roti and some paratha. So let's see how it tastes.
what they're saying? Life is like a roller coaster ride. What do you say? पर तुम तो यहाँ हो ही नहीं, किससे पूछो?
ये हवाएं गुनगुनाए पूछे तू है कहाँ, तू है फूलों में कलियों में या मेरे ख्वाबों की गलियों में, ये हवाएं गुनगुनाए.
This valley has 9-hole golf course and a Khajinag Mandir in one corner. This valley should be visited twice, during the snowfall and during the summer.
Ebeli muk buku teraki ebeli muk.
The view of this grassland meadows depends upon which gate you enter this meadows. Hey, we cannot show you how crazy we got.
उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे, ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ. किसी ने छुआ तू ही हुआ, फिरते हैं महके महके हम, हुई है गई बात ही नहीं जब है ऐसे बहके हम, हुआ है यूं कि दिल पिघल गए.
Before reaching Khajiyar, we visited Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary, which is home to wild bears and leopards. This is a nature walk trail. You can visit this place by walking from the gate, or you can also take your vehicle inside.
रोशनी मिली अब राह में है एक दिलकशी सी वर्सी.
You can also stay here by booking these cottages from Chamba Forest Department. This Jadibuti selling uncle, that is some Ayurvedic medicines and herbs, informed me that this tallest Devdar tree once was stricken by lightning, and from that day this tree is dry. And he was lucky that he survived as he was very nearby. He had also encountered bears many times in his life. There is a trek from this Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary which will straight away lead you to Khajiyar Valley. Many people take that trek. So friends, this was all about Khajiyar and Kalatop Wildlife Sanctuary. Signing off from this vlog so that Travel Tapes can come up with new vlog. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Nilakshi. We love to travel and explore. We sometimes travel budget and sometimes luxury.
Hi, I'm Prateek. Actually, we travel comfort. Our motto is earn, save, travel, repeat.
We go on vacations in different places in India and abroad. But Goa, we just pack our bags and go anytime. We don't consider it as vacation.
We travel with friends and relatives, but most of the time it's with family. So like
Comment
and subscribe
our channel
Travel Tapes.